Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailshake for follow-ups after product purchase step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Mailshake. Press enter to navigate to the Mailshake homepage. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After a brief moment, your Mailshake dashboard will load. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Look for the Follow-ups feature in the left-hand menu. Click on Follow-ups to view your options for follow-up campaigns. You are now ready to set up your follow-ups after product purchase. Explore other features on the dashboard as needed. You have successfully logged into Mailshake for your follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.